guys, this is Chris Thompson. Welcome back to my channel.
What's up, ka-people? It's your boy, Jimboy, the II Boy, and welcome back to Chris Dub's channel! Yay! So for today's video, guys, gusto lang nating i-challenge si Chris Dubs. Ewan ko lang kung tatanggapin niya ba yung challenge na to. And syempre, kung challenge lamang yung pag-uusapan, syempre, hindi na tayo lalayo sa gusto natin. Yung gusto natin, alam nyo naman siguro kung ano yung gusto natin. Syempre, gusto natin ng kape. And i-challenge natin si Chris Dubs na gumawa siya ng flavored coffee. So, Chris Dubs, any flavored coffee na pwede mong magawa using yung kahit anong equipments na andyan sa bahay nyo. Syempre, for example, meron ba ka bang coffee maker dyan or anything na pwede mong gawin ay gamitin para sa para sa challenge na to. Pero depende din sa iyo, Chris, kung tatanggapin mo ba yung challenge na to. Ayun, challenge natin si Chris Dubs. Again, challenge natin si Chris Dubs na gumawa ng any flavored coffee using anything na andun sa bahay mo, available sa bahay mo. So hindi mo na kailangang lumabas ng bahay. So ikaw nang bahala, Chris Dubs. Yun lang. Thank you so much and I hope you enjoyed ma-enjoy nyo yung video ni Chris Dubs. Thank you. Bye-bye.
In today's show, I will accept James Ukat's challenge. Sabi niya to make coffee flavored daw. Kasi si James kasi, yan pambansang coffee maker. He is the championing, the bartender vlogger. So, it's my honor that challenge ako ni James na gagawa ng coffee flavored. Pero naisipan ko, hindi ako gagawa ng coffee na iinumin natin. So, gagawa ako ng coffee puto. So, ito po yung mga ingredients sa aking harap. Ito po yung coffee mix. No, ito po yung puto mix. Minix ko na itong puto. Kinuha ko itong ingredients na to kay Nash Garan. Shout out to Nash Garan. This is your puto mix. But I'm not gonna make the puto banana because this is the puto coffee. And then, brown sugar. I have the chocolate. And we have to brew the coffee. So, ito na guys, nag-brewed na ako ng coffee. Kasi instead of water, ito pong gagawin, ito po yung gagawin nating water to mix the coffee. I mean, the puto. So, yun. So, flavored puto now with coffee. And then, meron tayong chocolate on the top. And then, of course, the brown sugar. And I will put a dash of ground cinnamon. So ayan guys, while pinapalamig natin ang ating coffee, the coffee must be 2 cups. So hindi pa siya nakaabot ng 2 cups kasi nag-brewed pa tayo dito. So we will mix the brown sugar sa puto mix natin na ginawa. Mix natin yan. Thoroughly. So, ayan guys, make sure na talagang mix yung sugar na wala na siyang mga anong tawag dyan, mga tibugol. Sa Tagalog na tibugol. Basta, i-mix na ninyo guys na nang wala na siya mga bugol-bugol. So, ayan guys, ayan na ang ating 2 cups of coffee. Make sure na hindi siya mainit yung coffee. Make sure na hindi siya masyadong cold. It's like normal temperature lang para i-mix natin dito. So ito na guys, ilalagay na natin ang ating coffee dahan-dahan at saka mix natin siya. So ayan guys, we have to mix it. Mix natin siya. Nindot kay color guys. So I know what's in your mind. Pero this is the color, really the color. So nice color. So just whip it. Whip. So mo na siya guys, para dili kay strong guys. I am putting vanilla on it. Para dili kayo strong ang baho sa coffee. So, ayan guys, prior sa ating whipping at inaano natin ang ating steamer para sa ating puto. So ayan. So ready na siya. So we have to prepare the puto na. Butter in it. Ginagmay lang na butter. Lalagyan natin ng butter sa ating puto molder. So itong puto molder na ito guys, galing pa ito ng Cebu. Dinala ito ng sister-in-law ko, binili niya sa Gaisano Tabunog. I miss Gaisano Tabunog guys. So lalagyan natin ng butter each para hindi siya magpilit ikaw niya. So ito na guys, lagyan natin ng mixture each cup. Ating puto coffee mixture in each cup. Ikat. So ayan guys, ready na ang ating puto, but before that, we will put a chocolate topping kani ato sa na siyang kanang pikas-pikaso ng chocolate. So okay guys, we have to cut the chocolate. Cut natin ng chocolate. Lagay natin sa on top of the puto. Yan. So ayan na guys, nilalagay na natin yung ating puto sa steamer. And then all I have to do is to cover it with the kitchen cloth, and then cover it this, and then we will get back in 10 minutes. So liyo na to guys, kay 5 minutes na siya guys. Oh my god, look at that. So luto na ang ating puto guys. So kukunin na natin siya. Kunin natin dyan. Ayan. Wow, ang bango-bango guys. Yung bang bango ng coffee, chocolate, and vanilla. Yun yung amoy niya. Wow. So, ayan na guys ang ating Puto coffee. So, good job in partner in coffee. Tapos, lalagyan nyo siya ng cinnamon powder para mas lalong maging masarap ang inyong merienda. So, ayan na ang ating Puto coffee. It's very delicious guys, sabi ng ating mga reviewer. Delicious daw. Lami ang puto? Lami? Wow. Wow. Ayan na po ang ating Puto coffee. So, challenge completed. Pambansang championing. James Ukat, ito na po yung challenge mo to make something out of coffee. So, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share guys. And thank you so much for your support. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!